Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'd come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stopped by the flash of a neon light, split the night and touch the sounds of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sounds of silence, for said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the winds of silence. And the people vowed and prayed to the neon God he made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was for me. And the sign said the words of a prophet are written on the subway wall and tenement halls, and whisper in the sounds of silence.